Faster speeds, more options, smoother operations. Let your labeling take shape with the BRADY printer S3700. Put color at the core of your labeling for visuals that truly pop. Meet the standards and regulatory requirements of your industry and give workers the protection they need. Compliance driving colors? No problem. Pipe marking? No sweat. Barcodes and work-in-process labels? Yes and yes. Say goodbye to calibration and wasted labels. Drop-and-go ribbons make color changes a snap. Or drop in your multicolor panel ribbon and avoid changes altogether. Waste less and get more out of every ribbon with the S3700 Smarter Print technology, all on your choice of BRADY's high-performance label materials. And for those ready to make a big impact, here's the game changer. A built-in cutter that slices shapes and letters flawlessly. We're talking straight lines, rounder circles, and tighter connection points, guaranteed. Meaning you can stack pipe markers and pack multiple shapes closer together, wasting less and cutting costs with every job. The S3700 lets every worker print labels how they want. Anyone can walk up and print thanks to time-saving onboard templates, keyboard, and touchscreen. BRADY's label creation software lets you take design and management to the next level. Or take stock of your labeling needs on the move with our convenient app. Empower any user to create virtually any sign, label, or tag. Professional grade, premium experience, the S3700.